Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today I am going to show you how to draw a beautiful cup with hearts rising from it. This is a perfect drawing for expressing love and warmth. Let's get started. First we will begin by drawing the outline of the cup. Start with a simple oval shape at the top. This will be the rim of the cup. Next, draw two slightly curved lines coming down from the sides of the oval. These lines should converge toward the bottom, forming the body of the cup. Close off the bottom with a curved line, giving it a round base. Now let's add the handle. Draw a small oval on the side of the cup and then connect it with two curved lines, forming a handle. Make sure it looks proportional to the cup. Once the basic shape of the cup is done, let's move on to shading. Start by shading the inside of the cup lightly, leaving some highlights to show the reflection of light. Shade the outer surface of the cup gradually, using a softer touch for lighter areas and more pressure for darker areas to give it a three-dimensional look. Now the fun part, drawing the hearts. Begin by sketching a few heart shapes rising from the cup-like theme. Start with the larger hearts at the bottom and gradually make them smaller as they go up. You can add as many hearts as you like, arranging them in a flowing manner to create a sense of movement. And there you have it, a charming drawing of a cup with hearts rising from it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.